Wow, it's been forever since I filmed with my camera. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ulani Brown, and today in this video, I'm going to be making a what's on my iPhone video. I don't want to keep you guys waiting, so let's just get straight on into it. Just a side note, I'm at a lake cabin right now, so it's gonna get real awkward if someone walks up behind me. So I have the iPhone 8 and I just got the color silver with the white glass. My phone case is just this super cute clear case, and it's this brand like Subcase or something. I got it off of Amazon. I can put the link inside. I'm going to put the link in the description box down below so you guys can get this case for yourselves. I like it a lot and it's super protective. And then in the case, I just put a bunch of cutie and halo stickers because first of all, they're super cute, and second of all, I'm obsessed with cuties and halos. If you guys ever want to sponsor me, I'll gladly take it. Just saying. And then I also just have this picture of my cousin Anne-Marie. She's from Jamaica. I've only seen her once and we clicked straight away. So she sent this in the mail to me. And I was like, I'm never taking this. I'm never leaving. I will always have this picture by my side. So let's just get straight on into what's actually on my iPhone. Okay, so this is just my lock screen. It's a super cute picture of me and my cousin Lourdes from a really, really long time ago. And we promised each other that we would never change it. I followed that promise. She broke it a long time ago, but I don't know, I like it a lot, so I'm just keeping it. Then if you slide over, yeah, this isn't really important stuff. Anyways, so if I open it, this is the first slide. Okay, let's talk about my background first. I saw this picture on Pinterest a while ago, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love this picture. And then a few days ago, I was just wanting to change my lock screen, and I was like, oh, I should use that picture because it's super, super cute. And it speaks volumes. I just say vampire because it's like woman power. And then it's also a very culturally inclusive background. And it just shows the beauty of all cultures. And so I love it a lot. But besides that, I just have my phone mainly rainbow organized for the most part. So this first page is kind of like my commonly used utility apps. I don't know if that's the right term, but I just have messages, phone, FaceTime, and then Find My, because those are all green. And then I just have the blues. The shortcuts, I don't really like there, but it's one of the only things that kind of fit in this category. I try to keep my mail pretty under wraps. From the blue to the blacks, I put my most commonly used apps in the middle, so like mail, weather, notes, calendar, settings, and clock. On the next page, I kind of have just my random apps, but they're in rainbow order. I have Venmo, very dangerous. I try to forget that I have it. That way I don't spend money that I don't have. Moving over, I have Star Walk, which basically, I can try to show you guys. It allows you to like move your phone and look at the stars. Cassiopeia is one of my favorites. I'm pretty sure I say that wrong. Then I have Speed Test. This just tests our Wi-Fi speed. Nothing really to it. Calculator I use a lot. Okay, I don't know if you guys know this, but you can use the scientific calculator on your phones. Just turn your phone sideways and it's scientific. That is so cool. Saisuke, which is one of my favorite calendar apps. Then I have BC, which is my bank. More random apps. No! Hi.
I'm gonna sit right here in the light.
This is awkward. And this is really overexposed. No, Lance, have you been in here this whole time?
Yes, I've been listening to you. Hi, this is Ulani Brown, and today for my video I'm going to be showing you something about my phone. It's and it's got a little color here.
No, Lance, stop.
was,
You have to keep this in the
and
video.
this could be awkward because somebody might come behind me. I was gonna come behind you.
This lighting's so bad.
You have to keep that in.
Yeah. Okay, I fixed my lighting, so hopefully it's better. On the next slide, I just have all my folders. I have file type of things, self-explanatory, travel, self-explanatory. Then I have shopping. I have Urban Outfitters, PacSun, Depop, and Starbucks. I don't really post anything on Depop. Then I have health. My favorite apps are Nike Training and Nike Run. And then Headspace is a really good meditating app. And Poop Map. You guys can Google Poop Map on your own. Don't judge me. Then I have my YouTube folder, which is just my editing systems. And then I have YouTube Studios, which just shows like your analytics. And then I have Subcount. It's just the live subscriber feed. iMovie and Pocket Video are probably my favorite iPhone editing systems. Then I have games. There's no, like, these aren't organized in any way. And then I have social media. Go follow me on Instagram at Ulani Brown. It's super cute. Not really, because I'm on it, but I'm super active. Also, I have TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok. Ooh, Pinterest too. My Pinterest. I have some really good boards on my Pinterest. Ooh, I'm up to 42K. Then I have entertainment. I tried to color coordinate most of these folders, including this one, but there's just not enough stuff. Then I have home. Then I have music. Go follow me on Spotify. I think I have some pretty good playlists. Some people think my music taste is weird, but I think it's unique. It's just Ulani 710. Yeah, I'm too impatient to wait for that to load. And then I just have useless stuff, which I never use. Okay, then I just have these random apps, and I saw a TikTok that showed you how to make a custom like app cover. And then in my hotbar, I just have contacts, and then I have Safari. And then I have my photo and video stuff, which in the first slide, I have my most commonly used photo apps, which I use for my thumbnails and for my Instagram pictures. And then I just have my random photo apps. Then I have education, so Kahoot, of course, Zoom, Docs. RenWeb is like a grading system. Edmodo is this language thing my Spanish teacher tried using. I did not like it. I don't even know why I have this app, but I'm keeping it because I'm pretty sure I still have a free account. Anyways, so that is what's on my iPhone. This special shout out from last week's video. It's right here. If you guys want a possible shout out in next week's video, comment down below somehow in the comments, and you might get a shout out next week. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!